Yeah, hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in today's newspaper on Monday, June the 15th. In the additional, the second Sudoku is a Two Stars Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright, I see here in the last column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square. So no 4 in these 3 boxes. I see there 4. So in the last row, no 4 in this column, in this box. In those 3 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2, 1, yes. So now we have 4 missing numbers in this column, and the missing numbers in this column are the 2, the 1, and the 5. 2, 1, and 5 cannot be in this box. 2, 1, and 5 cannot be in this box because we have a 2, 1, and a 5 here. So 1 digit left. This should be the number 7. 7 is missing. Yes. So the 2, 5, and 1 should be in one of those 3 boxes. 2, 5, and 1. Yes, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. How about the number 3 in this column? 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. But I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And here we have 3 numbers for the last row. The 3, 8, and 9 are missing in the last row. So the 3, 8, and 9 cannot be in this box. The 3, 8, and 9 should be in these 3 boxes. I see here 9 and 8. So no 9 and 8 in that box. 1 digit left for the 3. So 9 and 8 should be here. 9 and 8 as a pair. So what digit is this? 9 and 8. So 1 digit left should be the 6. Yes. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then how about the number 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And remember here, the 5, 1, and the 2 are here. That means the other 2 numbers, 5, 1, and the 5, 1, and the 2, yeah, 5, 1, and the 2. That means the other 2 numbers, 8 and the 7 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these 2 boxes. There are 2. No 2 in that box. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Yeah. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes, so the 2 could be here or could be there. Together with the 1. 1 is also a missing number. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So we have a pair, the 1 and the 2. Here also 1 and the 2. The other 2 numbers in this big square should be the 4 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 1. We have a 1 in the middle row in one of those 2 boxes, so here cannot be a 1. This should be the 1 and this should be the 5. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 7. Then how about 3 missing numbers in this big square. The missing numbers are the 6, 7 and the 8, 6, 7 and the 8. We see here 6 and the 8, so no 6 and the 8 in this box. The 6 and the 8 goes in these 2 boxes. 6 and the 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 box left for 1 digit. Should be the 7. Then 8 in this column. 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then how about the number 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there, the only place for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers here. The missing numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 5. I see here 1 and the 4, so no 1 and the 4 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 5. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here and a 4 here. Here also 1 and a 4. That means these 2 boxes should be 1 and a 4. I mark them 1 and a 4. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the row below the third row, the only 2 places for a 7, here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. This should be also 1 and a 4, 9 and a 8. How about, yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so in the middle column. The only two places for the 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row, so the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so in the second column, the column between, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, can I fill this yet? No, 3 and 5, no. Same like here, the 3 and the 5 are missing. 3, 5 and the 2 are missing, yes. Need to wait. How about the number? One of the 3 missing numbers is a 5 in this big square. I see here 5, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here or could be there. That means 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so in the row between. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 1 box left in the second row for the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 1 box left in this big square for the number 4, 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2 boxes left in the middle column for the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 1 and 2 are left. We see here 1. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We see here a 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video, and yeah, I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku. That will be a 3 stars Sudoku. So see you later and bye bye for now.